Hello everyone, teacher is back again and now you know my name. I am Miss Leela and I welcome you all to this lovely session. Children, today we are going to learn something more exciting with letter T. Before that, you need to revise the sounds of the letters which we have done till date. So which is the first letter that you can see on the screen? Come on children, let me see how you remember the sound and the action. For letter S, that's correct. Letter S says S. Excellent. And now let's see the next letter. Next letter is, got it right there. It's letter A. A says A. Okay, children, now let's see the letter which we were doing. Let's see which is that. That's letter T. And do you remember the story and the sound? Correct. All my smart children. Letter T says T. Wow. So I give you all a fantastic. Very smart children. And now it's time to read along story. So we are going to read the story which teacher had already told you. Let's read it. The story's name was Turtle on a Trek. Let's begin. We all go on a trek. Father puts up a tent. Mother and I clean the table. Look, it's that a tiger behind the tent. Roar. Tutu, the turtle, tucks himself inside his shell. Ha ha ha. It is just a tiger mask. So wow, wasn't that fun, children, reading the story for letter T? And now I want you all to close your eyes and say the three magical words. Abracadabra, gilly gilly, choo. Wow, what is that? You got it right. It's the wall freezy. The picture talk we are going to do now. So for that, you all need to collect the story of letter T which teacher has told you the previous day. Come on children, just close your eyes and collect the story. I'm going to ask you a few questions. Yes. So, what was the name of the pet tortoise in the story? Come on. Yes, it was Tutu. And where did we all go? Come on, children. I had told we all went walking. What is that called? Correct. We went for trekking. And with whom did I go for trekking? With my parents and my cousin. Do you remember the name of my cousin? Come on, come on, come on. Great. His name was Tommy. And what did we do when Mama bought food for us? We helped Mama to open what? Yes, the table. And after we finished eating, what did we do? We brushed our teeth. We brushed our teeth with which material? What is that called? Correct. It's toothbrush. And my cousin scared us wearing what? Which animal mask? You got it right. Tiger. So children, you have to collect all the words in the picture which has sound. So let's see. Tortoise. Table. Tiger. It's a mask. Toothbrush. Tommy. Tent. Superb. So you all know the words with letter T. Now it's time to do the green words. Children, do you know what are green words? Since now you have done two letters, that is S, A, and we are learning letter T. So we can make words with this three letters. So let's begin to learn words now. So let's see which is the first word that you are going to learn. So I'll just tell you that you can see the two dashes below the word. Do you know what are they called? The dashes resemble the sounds. That means the above word has two dashes. That means it has two sounds. And when we break the sound, by breaking the sound, we can read or make the word. And I will tell you how. We are going to do it in a my turn and your turn technique. That is, first teacher will tell the sound and the word, and after that, you are going to say. So children, we are going to have lots of fun. Let's begin. Act, act. One more time. Act, act. Now let's see one more word. Oh, come on children. How many sounds does this word have? You got it right. It has 3 sounds. Can you tell me how did you know it has 3 sounds? Because there are 3 dashes. So now, act, sat. Come on children, one more time. Act, sat. Wow, that was nice. So children, I hope you all have opened your elephant ears and your magnet eyes. And now it's time to listen to the rhyme of letter T.
Tip him, tap him on his back. Toot toot tortoise, please come back. Mommy, Daddy, Tommy too, all are knocking.
What a beautiful rhyme. And now it's time to have fun with one more video for you all. Let's see.
The T sound. T, tiger. T. T sounds T as in tiger. Hey, look at the teeth of the tiger. T in 10 sounds T. I have 10 fingers. Look at this word, taxi. The letter T in taxi makes the T sound. How to make the sound? First, close your mouth by putting the tip of your tongue on the front roof of your mouth. Next, pull it back to let out a puff of air to make the T sound, as in tiger. Try again. This time, put your hand on your throat. It did not move or vibrate. Let us look at some more words that begin with the letter T and make the T sound, as in tiger. Click on the letter that make the T sound. Truck. Click on the letter that make the T sound. Train. Click on the letter that make the T sound. Toy. Let us look at some other words with the letter T that make the T sound. Click on the letter that make the T sound. Nut. Click on the letter that make the T sound. Wet. Click on the letter that make the T sound. Boat.
So, wow, that was such a beautiful video. And you have learned the words with letter T. And you also saw that there was letter T sound which were coming at the end. There were few words where letter T or the sound was coming towards the end. So children, keep on learning the new words with letters. And now it's time to do some fun home play activity. So what are we going to do? We are going to take a walk around your house and collect few objects or few things that begin with letter T or sound T. You have to collect the objects like a toy, a torch, or a toothbrush, or a toothpaste, or a tomato. And children, what are you going to do after collecting? You are either going to put it in a tub or you're going to place it on a table and recall the names. And I'm sure by this you are going to have fun and also learn the words that start with letter T. Now it's time to say goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye, my dear children. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye.